Hey guys, welcome to Maths Cube. Today we are solving the 11th question from Mathematics A, paper 1H, and it says that the cumulative frequency graph gives information about the weights in grams of 90 bags of sweets. Okay, let me show you the graph. That's it. Cumulative frequency is on the y-axis and the weight is on the x-axis. They ask us to find an estimate for the median of the weights of these bags of sweets, and that's of 2 marks, and we have to find the weights of the grams looking at the cumulative frequency. So always guys, if you have to find the median, mean, mode or the range and the frequency graph is given, you always have to look for the y-axis of cumulative frequency here. So what I'll do is here, look for the highest value in the cumulative frequency, and that's 90. So the formula for median is n plus 1 over 2. Oops, wait. There you go. But mostly we can write it as n upon 2 also. So that's not a big deal. So our n value here is 90, and when we divide 90 by 2, we get 45. There you go. I have zoomed in the graph, and you can see that 45 comes somewhere in between 40 and 50. Okay, see that's the difference of 10, so that's 41, 42, 43. So it starts from here, so I'll just draw it again. There you go guys, marking 45 on the graph, you see we get how much, that's the difference between 140 and 150, and that will be 145 grams. So the median of it is 145 grams. There you go, our first A part has been done. Moving on to the B part. Roberto sells the bags of sweets to raise money for charity. Bags with a weight greater than D grams are labeled large bags and sold for 3.75 euros each bag. The total amount of money he receives by selling all the large bags is 93.75 euros. Find the value of B. As always, go and check out the marks here. Okay, fine. That's 3 marks. So we have to find the value of D, and value of D is the weight that's been greater, or you can say uh, some amount that's been greater or for the weight, so that he's selling it for 3.75 euros, and when he sells all of these bags he gets 93.75 in total. So I'll just go back to the graph and look for it. Now the two piece of information they have given us that one bag has 3.75 value to it, and he sells 93 point, okay, no, the total amount he gets is 93.75. So what we can do is we can divide those both values. So when we calculate this, we get 25 number of bags that he sold, so that he gets amount of 93.75 euros. Now these are the 25 number of bags of, even if you take the third percentile, or you can say not the third percentile, sorry, like 75th percentile or upper limit, so we get a value of 65 or above 65. So that's, or you can say if he sells 25 bags, that's 90 minus 25, 65. Makes sense. But when I calculated using the upper limit, I get 67 or something like that. So when you sketch a line, let me sketch the line. So my answer lies within this, between 150 and 160. So the D value can be within this number. You can say also the examiners will set a range. So you don't have to worry about the exact amount in coming in. So you can say between 150, if you write the values between 150 to 160. So that's the value that should be greater. That's the D value that should be greater than. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more videos like this.